Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done exercise 8.3. Today we are going to start exercise 8.4. In this we have to express rupees as decimals, meters as decimals, centimeter as decimals, kilometer as decimals, kilogram as decimals, like this. As you all know, in previous classes you have learned that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Right? 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So if we have to convert paise into rupees, what we will do? We have to divide it by 100. So first question is express as rupees using decimals. This is 5 paise. We have to convert it into rupees. We know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, or we can say 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100 rupees. So multiply 5 by 1 by 100, it will give 0.05 rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. How you have to divide? There is no need to divide like this. You just look that there are 2 zeros in the denominator. So shift the decimal 2 places in the left direction. So it will become 0.05. Since there is only one number, so replace 0 at that position, it will become this. B and C part is your homework. Next, D part, 50 rupees 90 paise. Look, 50 is already in rupees. You have to convert 90 paise into rupees. So again 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100 rupees. So multiply 90 by 1 by 100, it gives 0.90. Okay, there are 2 zeros in the denominator. Shift the decimal in the left direction 2 places, 1, 2, it becomes 0.90. Then adding 50 plus 50 and 0.90, it gives the 50 rupees 90 paise, that is 50.90. How you have to add? You have to write 50 as 50.00, and decimal should be written behind decimal, so 0.90. Adding, we get this answer. Next is E part. In this we have 725 paise. We have to convert it into rupees. So we know 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100 rupees. So there are two methods. Either you can directly multiply 725 by 1 by 100. You will get 7.25, or you can break 725 like 700 plus 25 paise. Then you have to multiply 700 also by 1 by 100, 25 also by 1 by 100. So zeros, both of the zeros cancels out and we get 7 here, and 25 divided by 100, it gives 0.25. So adding 7 plus 0.25, it gives 7.25 rupees. Again I am repeating the same thing as before, that 7 should be written 7.00 while adding with 0.25. Next, coming to question number 2, express as decimals using express as meters using decimals. Now we have to convert into meters. As meter is greater unit than centimeter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, or we can say 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. We have to convert centimeter, 15 centimeter into meter. So we will multiply by 1 by 100. Dividing 15 by 100, it gives 0.15 meter. Next, coming to C part, it is 2 meter 45 centimeter. 2 is already in meter. We have to convert 45 into centimeter. So we have to multiply 45 by 1 by 100. As we know, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. So dividing this, we get 0.45, and adding both of these numbers, we get 2.45. 2.00 plus 0.45 gives 2.45. B, D and E part is your homework. Then coming to question number 3. Express as centimeter using decimals. Now we have to convert into centimeter. We know 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, or when we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide it. So 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. So here we have 5 millimeter. Multiply it by 1 by 10, it will give 0.5 centimeter. There is only 1 0 in the denominator. You have to shift the decimal in the left direction only once place. So it is 0.5 centimeter. Next is D part. 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. 9 is already in centimeter. We have to convert 8 into centimeter. We will multiply it by 1 by 10, which gives 0.8, because 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeters. So it becomes 9.8 centimeter. Now B, C and E part is your homework. Coming to question number 4. It is express as kilometer using decimal. Kilometer. We have to convert into kilometer. Here it is meter. Again, kilometer is bigger unit than meter. We have to divide it by 1000. So 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So you have to multiply 8 by 1 by 1000. It will give 0.008 kilometer. Here we have 3 zeros in the denominator. So we have to shift 3 places decimal towards the left direction. So here we have only one number. You have to put 2 zeros here. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.008 kilometer. Then is C part. C part is 8,888 meter. We have to change it into kilometer. You can directly multiply by 1 by 1000. So it will give 8.888 kilometer. Shift the decimal 3 places towards the left directions. 1, 2, 3. It becomes 8.888 kilometer. Next is D part. 70 kilometer, 5 meter. 70 kilometer is already in kilometer, then 5 meter you have to change it into kilometers. What you will do, you will multiply it by 1 by 1000. So again, when you will divide it, it becomes 0.005. Adding both of these numbers, you will get 70.005 kilometer. 70 should be written as 70.000. The decimal should be written behind decimal only then you will get the correct answer. Next, B part is your homework. Next, coming to question number 5. Express as kg using decimals. Now we have to convert it into kilogram, that is kg. As we know, gram is smaller than kilogram. So 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. We will multiply 2 by 1 by 1000. It gives 0.002 kg. Then is C part. It is 3750 gram. Again, 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. So we have to multiply it by 1 by 1000. 0 is cancelled out by 0. And we have 2 zeros in the denominator. So shift the decimal 2 places in the left direction. It will give 3.75 kg. Then is E part. 26 kg 50 gram. Students, here 26 is already in kg. We have to convert 50 gram into kilogram. So we will multiply it by 1 by 1000. 1 zero is cancel out with this 0. And 5 by 100 is equals to 0.05. Adding both of these numbers, you will get 26.05. B and D part is your homework. I hope you have understand this exercise. If there is any problem, any query, you can ask me. Thank you.